In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problems. If your mouse wheel is scrolling too fast, too slow, stuttering, or not responding consistently, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a practical way to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step by step, follow along on your own computer as I talk through each part, and pause or rewind whenever you need to. First, make sure your mouse is properly connected. If you're using a wired mouse, check that the cable is firmly plugged into your computer and not damaged or bent sharply. For a wireless mouse, confirm that the USB receiver is fully inserted and that the mouse is switched on. Also, replace or recharge the batteries if they're low, because weak power can cause inconsistent scrolling. Next, try plugging the mouse into a different USB port. Sometimes the port itself can be the problem. After you switch ports, give the wheel a test in a simple app like a web browser or a document. Scroll up and down a page and see if anything has improved. Now, let's look at your mouse settings. On Windows, open the Settings app. Go to Devices, then Mouse. Here you'll see options that control how many lines are scrolled with each notch of the wheel. Try lowering the number if the scroll feels too fast, or raising it slightly if it feels too slow. Make one change at a time and test it after each adjustment so you can clearly see what works best. If the wheel is still acting strangely, it might be a driver issue. In Windows, open Device Manager and find your mouse under the Mice and Pointing Devices section. Right-click it. Choose the option to update the driver and let Windows search automatically. After updating, restart your computer and test your scroll again. It's also worth checking for dust or debris around the scroll wheel. Turn off your mouse, then gently blow around the wheel or use a soft brush to clear any buildup. Avoid using liquids directly on the mouse. A dirty wheel can cause jumpy or uneven scrolling, so even a light cleaning can make a big difference. Finally, test the mouse on another computer if you can. If the same scrolling problem appears there, it's likely a hardware fault with the mouse itself, and you may need a replacement. If it works fine on the other machine, revisit your settings and drivers on your main computer. By carefully going through these checks and adjustments, you should be able to resolve most common mouse wheel scrolling issues.